This is my lottery dream home. I am in Schaumburg, Illinois, and I'm so excited because the first thing I see when I get off the interstate are malls, and lots of them. They're big, they're glamorous, they have expensive stores, and I am ready to shop. My winner Tracy and her girlfriend Annette live in Schaumburg, just 30 minutes without traffic from one of my favorite places to shop, Chicago. Well, how much did you win?
I won $500,000.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I won on the Lucky Day Lotto.
Okay.
It was actually funny when I won because my girlfriend gets up and go check the lottery numbers. She says, Trace, you won a lottery. And I'm like, $40, whatever,
Right.
something like that. So she goes, you won a lottery.
Again.
So I jumped up off the couch. So I snatched her and we ran out the house to go get the ticket validated. And sure enough, I was the winner.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And here I am.
You are.
Ready to shop with you.
Yes, please.
Very exciting. What are we looking for?
2 bedrooms, 2 baths, something simple.
Okay.
Like a townhouse.
Oh.
With an open floor plan.
I love the townhouse, like brand new. Do you want something that you can fix up?
I would like to put my own stamp on it.
Okay. So when you're looking for something to renovate, sky's the limit.
Absolutely.
How much money are you gonna give me?
Maybe up to $215.
$215.
Yes.
$215 is our hard block.
Yes.
Where are we looking as far as area-wise?
Schaumburg, Elk Grove area.
So I'm starting at the top of her budget. Fairview Heights, honestly, this one's basically move-in ready. A lot of people say they want to put their own stamp on it, but I'm telling you, when they see the perfect house, they're like, why would I? So I want to keep this easy for Tracy, because I want her to be able to go to the mall and shop more. Townhomes everywhere. I know you said you wanted something to fix up and
Yes.
renovate completely.
Yes.
Well, I wanted to try something a little different. So this one is basically all renovated.
Okay.
There's a project in there, but to me, you can bring your personal style with furnishings, wallpaper, all of the fabulous things
Awesome.
that I know that you want to shop
Yep,
for.
that would be me.
All right, so let me tell you a little bit about Fairview Heights.
Okay.
Has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms,
Okay.
1,000 square feet, and the price is $210,000.
I like the floors.
Cute, right?
Yeah, I love this, David.
How does this compare to your apartment right now?
Well, walking in, it looks bigger. Already, I can
Good.
tell you that, yes. Ooh, I love the sofa. I love the weight.
You know, you can afford everything now.
Yeah.
Isn't that fun?
This is cute, yeah.
Great fireplace.
Nice and cozy.
So you could put stone on it, you could do really clean marble, you could do anything that you want, bring it all the way to the ceiling, make it dramatic, make it beautiful.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I can see that being.
Good. So to me, I would tear out this wall.
Yeah.
Open this up. You could even take your cabinets all the way to the next wall over here and do like a big floating island over. I mean, you could really have fun with it,
Yeah.
and that could be your dining space as well, along with more cabinetry.
Okay. This would be my project right here, because that's exactly what I would do.
I love that. The first bathroom is down the hall, and it's in great shape.
Oh, nice.
It's not bad.
I would definitely change out the toilets.
Well, we change out the toilets.
Oh, yeah. I have to change out the toilet.
Are you
I
a
am-
germaphobe? You're a germaphobe.
Yeah, I'm a germaphobe.
Is this too close for you? Should I stand here?
No.
Are you sure?
You're-
I don't want to invade your Okay. All right. I'm
close.
getting confirmation. It's okay to be
Yes.
close. So
Yeah.
you're okay. I'm learning things to learn about Tracy. I love
Yeah.
that. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here is our first bedroom.
Oh, nice. Nice size.
It's a good size. Nice big window.
Yeah, and I love the view for a guest bedroom as well.
Yeah. The main bedroom is just next door, and it has a great view too. And the advantage of having a corner unit is that you get windows here, windows here.
Yeah.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah, I love that.
So I'm taking her to a fabulous townhome, Lookout Gardens, on the second story that needs a little bit of work. A great renovation project for a first-time homeowner, first-time renovator. I'm excited for her journey. It's got 2 bedroom and 2 bathroom. It's got 1,104 square feet. I got you more projects, and I got you on the second floor.
Okay.
And the price is fantastic at $199,900.
Money left to shop with.
Hello,
I could do
$100
that.
in
Yep.
the bank.
Oh, wow.
Right?
Nice. Yeah. Oh, this is really nice.
Totally different vibe, right?
Yeah, it is.
This is the advantage of being upstairs.
Wow.
Automatically, the space is going to feel so much larger because you have all of this space now to add to all
Yeah.
the space that we have here.
Yeah, for sure.
So we have a really great dining area here.
Nice.
Open to the kitchen, which is perfect.
Very nice, yes.
So the one project that I think that I would love for you to do
Yes.
is tear out this wall. For some reason, at one point, people wanted a wall between the dining area and the kitchen.
Okay.
But it's not the way we live now.
Absolutely.
All right, let's check out the kitchen.
Oh, some.
It's not bad.
Not bad at all, no.
But when you remove this, wonderful. Big giant island right here.
Yes, for sure. I can see myself doing a lot in here. It's
Yeah.
a contender, for sure. Oh, nice.
I personally like the toilet. I know this is something you would change up because you're such a germaphobe.
I am such a germaphobe.
Even that's really pretty. Good?
Yes, I like
Is
it.
your brain going like crazy?
It is.
Good, love that. The guest bedroom is huge and comes with a ton of storage for all of those extra shoes and handbags. But the main bedroom is even better.
Oh, wow, this is big.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, I love the vaulted
Vaulted
ceiling.
ceilings are good.
Yeah.
Romantic.
Yeah, this is nice.
You can see there's lots of furniture in here. To me,
Yes.
a desk should never be in the bedrooms for sleeping. And I literally have saved the best for last. Schomburg Court is a brand new listing. It's been fully renovated, so all Tracy has to do is move in. Let me quickly tell you a little bit about Schaumburg Court.
Okay.
It's got 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, just like the other ones. Has 1,100 square feet, so nice room to move. It's on the first floor, corner unit. Ready for the price?
I am.
All right, $180,000. I know, you're welcome. Is this your style?
This is like so my style.
I knew it.
This is so my style. Oh my God.
It's good, right?
Yes.
Let's start in the kitchen, because it's, you know, it's
Alrighty.
staring at us right here.
Oh, look at these countertops. Look at this. Look at the sink.
Gorgeous.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I can like wash my whole body in here.
Look around.
I like it. Oh my, look at the appliances, Dave. Oh, look at the stove. This cooks more than pasta, David.
The guest bathroom is clean and ultra stylish.
Oh, nice, David. Yeah.
Across the hall is the guest bedroom. It's not huge, but again, no renovations needed, just like the main bedroom.
Nice.
It's good, right?
Nice size, yes.
Good size, like it's not massive like we saw at Lookout Gardens.
Yes.
They had the biggest bedrooms, they had the vaulted ceilings. That was definitely attractive.
Yes.
But the thing is here it's all done, you know?
Yes, I agree.
Check out the bathroom.
Oh, I like the walk-in shower.
Walk-in shower is really nice, all glass, upgraded.
Yes.
The question of the day, since everything's been remodeled and refinished, the toilets are brand new. Are you replacing those too?
I would replace those toilets.
You're crazy. Let's go outside.
Yes.
The backyard is really pretty, but completely surrounded by neighbors. This is why this one's $180,000, because you can come hang out, but everyone's gonna see ya.
Yeah.
So let's sit down. Let's take all this in, because you know,
Yes.
there's a lot to talk about, like lovely trees.
Yes.
About 2 weeks, that's gonna be gorgeous.
Yes, indeed.
But we see lots of neighbors here. Hi.
I'm curious about what Annette was saying, the neighbors being so close.
But you guys need to make a decision fast if you're gonna choose this one, because this one's not gonna be on the market for a day or two. Time's a ticking. Let's go.
Let's go.
We'll go shopping after.
Absolutely.
You still got money. I'm gonna try that mascara on me next. The little eyeliner moment. That's a good touch.
Isn't that popping?
Got your call.
Yes.
1 day later,
I
because you
did.
knew time was ticking.
Yes.
We saw some really interesting properties.
Yes.
So, Fairview Heights. Let's just skip right to the backyard because that whole moment, fenced in, right next to a reserve.
I fell in love with that backyard, and I love the privacy of it.
It was our only unit with a fireplace. Like, hello.
Yes, it was gorgeous. Yes.
And the inside did not need a ton of work, you know?
No.
We went to Lookout Garden. You said you wanted something on the second story. It had vaulted ceilings.
Yeah, those vaulted ceilings, they were
So good.
absolutely gorgeous.
So good.
Yeah, they were. The bedroom seems bigger, too.
Bedrooms were a lot bigger.
Yeah.
It had the most opportunity for you to put your stamp on it.
Yes. But then I thought about the stairs. I was like, yeah, stairs. And the balcony was kind of small.
But it was a really great, fun option to look at because it was completely different than the other 2 floor plans.
I agree.
Which brings us to our next property, Schomburg Court. $20,000 under your $200,000 budget. Been redone, no projects,
Nothing to do.
literally nothing to do. And I know that you wanted to put your stamp on it, but when it already has a stamp that says you,
Yes.
it's kind of attractive.
But the privacy.
That's, something you have to really consider. Like, do you want to be amongst the peeps? Do you want to have no projects? So, where are we going? Since this is your decision.
This was tougher than I thought.
Good.
I'm gonna go with Schomburg Court.
Of course you are. It's an amazing space for you. It's already done, and it's in your aesthetic, and it's under budget. And yes, the privacy isn't the best, but it's Chicago, for crying out loud. It's cold most of the year.
I wound up going with Schomburg Court, and I got it for $180,000. I was able to just put an offer on it right away and move in. Come in. Hi. Come on in, Tony. Welcome. Hi, Mom.
Hi, honey.
How are you?
Congratulations.
Everything was absolutely beautiful inside.
It's not only beautiful, but you can feel the comfort.
Yeah.
It's really home, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.